Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PEIX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Well, quite the eventful day on this one, not only from the price action point of view, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume on the day, but definitely a very shaky looking chart, a very crazy looking chart. And that's what brings about my approach, and I just want to really focus on one level because I get it if you're feeling a little confused, if you're saying, I don't know, is this chart bullish or bearish? It made a huge move to the upside, and then it had this big pullback, but then there was this bounce. What exactly is going on? Well, in my mind, the level that can really make all this very straightforward is down here at 45 cents. Why is 45 cents? I would definitely call it a make or break level, do or die, whatever, dramatic term you can think of. That's what I would use for this. Why so? Well, I'm not saying this will be the case, but just to explain why I would call this, the dramatic term it is if the price were to go down to 45 and then just continue on down, what would that be doing to the price? Well, from a very literal perspective, that would quite literally be putting the price right back inside of that range that it just broke out of. Again, going back, not exactly a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price came down here and then all of a sudden worked its way back upwards. What would you have in this situation? Well, at least here you'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have those lows down there. If you envision each of those as stair steps, well, hey, there you go. Now you have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. But again, if you have the price, which again, let's keep it in context. The context is it's already spiked all the way up there. So now if you have the price go back to 45 and fall back below it, at that point, that's essentially a pump and dump status. Again, to be fair, I'm not saying that's what's going to occur, and I'm not calling this a pump and dump right now. But yeah, if the price just breaks right down below 45 cents and literally puts the price right back to where it was before it started, well, then that would be a pump and dump at that point. So moral of the story, 45 cents, a very revealing level in terms of whether or not the price is making progress or if the price is going back to where it was. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.